The Egyptian pyramids have captivated humanity for millennia. These colossal structures, rising from the desert sands, stand as testaments to a civilization far ahead of its time. They are not merely tombs, but intricate puzzles that continue to baffle and inspire awe. The sheer scale of these structures, combined with their architectural precision, raises profound questions. How could a civilization lacking modern technology achieve such feats? The pyramids were not built overnight. They were the culmination of generations of knowledge, skill, and unwavering dedication. The effort involved in quarrying, transporting, and shaping millions of tons of stone is staggering to comprehend. The construction of the pyramids was a monumental logistical challenge. The workforce, often portrayed as slaves toiling under a harsh sun, was, in reality, a complex and skilled labor force. These were individuals who dedicated years, if not their entire lives, to mastering the techniques of quarrying, stone carving, and construction. Moving massive stone blocks, some weighing as much as several elephants, required ingenuity and innovation. Theories abound on the methods employed, from elaborate systems of ramps to sophisticated levers and rollers. Each theory offers a glimpse into the minds of these ancient engineers, pushing the boundaries of what was deemed possible. Despite centuries of study and speculation, the construction of the pyramids continues to be shrouded in mystery. Archaeological discoveries have yielded tantalizing clues, but many questions remain unanswered. How did the Egyptians achieve such precision in their alignments and measurements? What tools and technologies did they employ? The passage of time has erased much of the evidence, leaving us to piece together the puzzle from fragmented remains and tantalizing inscriptions. Yet, the allure of the pyramids lies not only in unraveling their secrets, but in marveling at the human ingenuity that made them possible. One of the most enduring theories about pyramid construction revolves around the use of massive ramps. Picture this: earth-filled ramps stretching for miles across the desert, leading upwards towards the pyramid's apex. These ramps, according to proponents of this theory, would have provided a gradual incline, allowing workers to haul the immense stone blocks using sleds, rollers, and brute force. While the ramp theory appears plausible, it presents logistical challenges of its own. The sheer volume of material required to construct such ramps would be staggering. Moreover, the angle of the ramps would have to be carefully calculated to prevent them from collapsing under the weight of the stones. The logistics of maneuvering such massive blocks around corners and tight spaces also raise questions about the ramp theory's feasibility. Despite these challenges, the ramp theory remains a popular explanation for pyramid construction. Archaeological evidence, including remnants of possible ramp systems discovered near some pyramids, lends credence to this theory. Furthermore, experiments conducted using modern-day replicas have demonstrated that ramps could indeed have been used to move large weights, albeit with significant effort. Central to the mystery of the pyramids is the question of workforce. Contrary to popular belief, the pyramids were not built by slaves toiling under the lash of cruel overseers. Evidence suggests that the construction of the pyramids was a national endeavor, enlisting the skills and labor of thousands of skilled artisans, laborers, and engineers. These workers were not slaves, but rather citizens who contributed their labor as a form of taxation, or as a way to honor their pharaoh. They lived in organized settlements near the construction sites, receiving food, shelter, and medical care in exchange for their work. This massive workforce, driven by a shared purpose and a sense of national pride, played a pivotal role in bringing the pharaoh's vision to life. The organization and management of such a vast workforce were no small feat. Scribes and overseers kept meticulous records of labor, materials, and progress. The coordination required to quarry, transport, and assemble millions of stone blocks with such precision speaks to the sophisticated administrative systems in place during this era. The interior chambers and passages of the pyramids offer further insights into the minds of their builders. These intricate networks of tunnels and chambers, often adorned with intricate hieroglyphics and adorned with precious offerings, were not merely burial spaces but served a deeper spiritual purpose. The Egyptians believed in the afterlife, and the pyramids were seen as gateways to this realm. The placement and orientation of the chambers, the symbolism embedded within the hieroglyphics, and the presence of astronomical alignments all point to a sophisticated understanding of astronomy, mathematics, and religious beliefs. These internal structures, often overlooked amidst the grandeur of the pyramid's exterior, hold valuable clues about the beliefs, rituals, and knowledge systems of this ancient civilization. By studying these hidden chambers, we gain a deeper appreciation for the multifaceted nature of pyramid construction, extending far beyond mere feats of engineering. Archaeology is an ever-evolving field, and new discoveries constantly reshape our understanding of the past. In recent decades, advancements in ground-penetrating radar, infrared imaging, and other non-invasive techniques have allowed archaeologists to peer beneath the sands and uncover hidden structures without disturbing the pyramids themselves. These technologies have revealed previously unknown chambers, passageways, and even entire settlements surrounding the pyramid complexes. One remarkable discovery was the detection of a massive void within the Great Pyramid of Giza. This void, located above the Grand Gallery, remains unexplored but has sparked intense speculation among archaeologists and Egyptologists. Could it be a hidden chamber, perhaps containing the true burial chamber of Pharaoh Khufu, or does it serve a structural purpose, relieving pressure on the pyramid's internal chambers? Beyond the pyramids themselves, excavations near the Giza Plateau have unearthed vast worker settlements, complete with bakeries, breweries, and even medical facilities. These findings challenge the notion of slaves toiling under duress and paint a picture of a well-organized workforce, sustained by a sophisticated infrastructure. The discovery of these settlements provides invaluable insights into the daily lives of the people who built the pyramids. In the digital age, technology has transcended its role as a mere tool for discovery and become a powerful instrument for reconstructing and experiencing the past. Sophisticated three-dimensional modeling software, fed with data from archaeological surveys, laser scans, and historical records, allows researchers to create highly detailed virtual replicas of the pyramids. These virtual models offer unprecedented opportunities to explore the pyramid's interior spaces, visualize construction techniques, and test various theories about their design and purpose. Virtual reality technology takes this experience a step further, immersing users in a fully realized digital reconstruction of the pyramids. Imagine donning a VR headset and stepping back in time, walking among the bustling worker settlements, witnessing the painstaking process of stone carving, or even ascending the narrow passageways to the heart of the pyramid. VR experiences offer a visceral and engaging way to connect with the past, fostering a deeper appreciation for the ingenuity and artistry of the ancient Egyptians. These technological innovations are not merely gimmicks, but valuable tools for research and education. By allowing archaeologists, historians, and the general public to interact with the pyramids in new and exciting ways, virtual reconstructions and VR experiences democratize access to knowledge and inspire a new generation to unravel the mysteries of the ancient world. One persistent question surrounding pyramid construction is the transportation of the massive stone blocks from distant quarries to the construction sites. While ramps and manpower played a role, some researchers proposed the use of water. This theory suggests that the ancient Egyptians harnessed the Nile River to transport heavy stones, using canals, artificial basins, and sophisticated systems of levers and floats. Evidence includes ancient canals and harbors near pyramid complexes and tomb paintings of boats transporting large objects. Proponents argue water transport, though requiring engineering skills, was more efficient for moving massive weights over long distances. However, critics point out the Nile's annual floods could disrupt construction efforts. Maneuvering large stones through canals into precise positions would have presented significant logistical challenges. Despite the debate, the water transport theory highlights the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the ancient Egyptians. The Giza Plateau stands as the most iconic testament to the pyramid-building prowess of the ancient Egyptians. Here, rising from the desert sands, stand three majestic pyramids: the Great Pyramid of Khufu, the Pyramid of Khafre, and the Pyramid of Menkaure. Each pyramid, a marvel of engineering and artistry, reflects the unique reign and vision of the pharaoh it commemorates. The Great Pyramid of Khufu, the oldest and largest of the three, reigns supreme. Its sheer scale boggles the mind, its base covering an area large enough to encompass 10 football fields. For centuries, it held the title of the tallest man-made structure on Earth, a testament to the ambition and skill of its creators. The Pyramid of Khafre, though slightly smaller than its neighbor, boasts a more imposing presence, its upper portion still encased in smooth white limestone, a ghostly reminder of its former glory. At its base lies the enigmatic Sphinx, its enigmatic gaze fixed upon the horizon, guarding the secrets of the pharaohs. The Pyramid of Menkaure, the smallest of the trio, completes this symphony in stone. Though more modest in scale, its intricate internal chambers and passages reveal the architectural sophistication and religious symbolism embedded within these monumental structures. What makes the Pyramids of Giza truly remarkable is not just their size, but the precision with which they were constructed. The alignment of the pyramids to the cardinal points is astonishingly accurate, deviating by mere fractions of a degree. This feat, achieved without the aid of modern surveying equipment, speaks to the advanced astronomical knowledge and meticulous planning of the ancient Egyptians. The individual stone blocks, quarried from distant sites and transported across vast distances, fit together with such precision that a knife blade can scarcely be inserted between them. This level of craftsmanship, achieved using only copper tools and stone hammers, is a testament to the skill and dedication of the ancient Egyptian masons. The internal chambers and passageways of the pyramids further showcase this precision. The Grand Gallery within the Great Pyramid, a soaring corridor leading to the King's Chamber, features massive granite beams perfectly fitted and aligned, creating a sense of awe and wonder in all who enter. Despite centuries of study and exploration, the Pyramids of Giza continue to hold secrets that elude our understanding. How did the ancient Egyptians, without the aid of modern technology, achieve such feats of engineering and precision? What tools and techniques did they employ? What motivated them to dedicate such immense resources to these monumental projects? Theories abound, ranging from the plausible to the fantastical, but definitive answers remain elusive. Some speculate that the Egyptians possessed advanced knowledge lost to time, perhaps even assistance from extraterrestrial beings. While such theories capture the imagination, they often lack scientific evidence. More grounded explanations focus on the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the ancient Egyptians, their deep understanding of mathematics, astronomy, and engineering principles. The pyramids, in this light, stand as testaments to the power of human collaboration, innovation, and unwavering dedication to a shared goal. The enduring mystery surrounding the pyramids only adds to their allure, inspiring generations to marvel at their grandeur and to seek answers to the questions they pose. They remind us that even in our modern age, with all our technological advancements, there are still mysteries to be unraveled, secrets waiting to be unlocked from the sands of time. The Egyptian pyramids stand as enduring testaments to human ingenuity and the power of collective endeavor. These colossal structures have captivated imaginations for millennia, whispering tales of a civilization that defied its time. They remind us that human ambition, fueled by a shared vision, can achieve extraordinary results. The construction required meticulous planning, masterful engineering, and a vast workforce. These feats speak to a level of sophistication that continues to impress modern engineers and architects. Beyond their structural marvels, the pyramids offer profound insights into ancient Egyptian society. They were intricate expressions of religious beliefs, astronomical knowledge, and a deep reverence for the afterlife. The symbolism, astronomical alignments, and intricate inscriptions point to a culture deeply connected to the cosmos and driven by profound spiritual understanding. The allure of the pyramids extends far beyond history and archaeology. They inspire artists, writers, and filmmakers, their enigmatic presence woven into countless works of art and cinema. Their silhouette is synonymous with ancient Egypt, a symbol of human ambition and mystery. Each new archaeological find and technological advancement reveals more of this ancient enigma. Recent discoveries and virtual reality experiences highlight the dynamic nature of archaeological research. The lessons from the pyramids extend beyond ancient history. They remind us of the importance of innovation, collaboration, and knowledge. They inspire us to push boundaries and approach problems with ingenuity. The pyramids stand as silent sentinels, urging us to draw inspiration from their legacy.